So next, let's talk about the safety of Bellafill. It's an important question to ask about Bellafill and really any filler or treatment that you might undergo that's elective. So first of all, Bellafill is FDA approved, so that in itself tells you that it is well studied and proven to be safe. In fact, it's the filler that was studied the longest and in the most patients, so it really has a better safety record than all the other fillers. But personally, I can also vouch for its safety in my own patients. I've used it for about 8 or 9 years. In the last year or two, we've started using a lot more of it because I've become more and more comfortable with how safe it is for my patients and how effective it is for my patients. In fact, I used to do a lot of fat grafting to do large areas of volume restoration, but now I tend to do Bellafill more because I know it's much more predictable, whereas fat sometimes stays, sometimes doesn't. So Bellafill, again, is just a really consistent, reliable filler that's going to last a long time, and I've not seen any complications in any of those patients, and we've probably injected about 1,000 syringes just in the last year and a half, so really great safety numbers there.